Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love and happy Monday. Everybody, today we are going to be talking about what is going on with Bitcoin, what happened over the weekend, the recent price breakout, and will this breakout last? Now, I had a lot of you guess in the last video where I was, and a lot of you said Thailand, and you were correct. So if you're in Thailand, you want to meet up, let me know. We'll hang out, we'll grab a beer. But we will get into the price action, what's going on with that, what's going on with the news, and all that stuff right after a message from our sponsor. Now, I tell you what's happening in the markets today. Well, market cap is up to $145 billion. Daily volume, 31 billion, and Bitcoin dominance 50.1%. That's been dropping a little bit. Bitcoin right now sitting at 41.24, so that's up over the weekend. Ethereum at 142 and XRP at 31 cents. Now, I was just looking at some of my first videos I made like a year and a half ago, August of last year. And turns out the Bitcoin price was like right at $4,000 when I began. Crazy. But guess what? Ethereum was at like 3 something then. And the number 3 crypto was Bcash at 500 something. So look at how the prices have changed. Well, look at that. The only thing up in XRP and EOS are up. But you know, what's going to happen with that? Now, overall today, this is huge. TTC protocol up 36%. Loom network up 16%. Elastos up 12%. TTC protocol, that's crazy. I interviewed these guys back in October, and it's gone up like 20 times since then. The big losers for today, Repo, Buybox token, and ABBC coin. Probably because I was pumped for no reason. Now, what's been going on? Well, this will be a lot of what we'll be talking about. Bitcoin has broken out of a few things. Number one, it broke out of this purple line, which as you can see has been the yearly downtrend since May 15th of 2018. So it's broken out above that. That happened, I think, Friday or something like that. And then, not only that, but it's broken out of this most recent white little triangle that we have here. Now, over the past, since the end of February, it's been in this little ascending track here. I made it with orange. I put a little orange thing right there. You can see it. We're up towards the higher end of it. And we're also getting to another area of resistance right at 4,200, as you can see. You know, this white line here, 4,200, everything bounces off of that, as well as the 200 weekly EMA, which is the blue line. We've broken through that. So we'll see now if this 200 weekly EMA, the blue line, can become support instead of resistance. But the first obstacle we have to break through here is this 4,200 mark. If we break through that, could be good. Could mean we're heading towards the upside. Now, I will say in all of these things, if we take a look at the volume's still decreasing. So prices going up, volumes decreasing, normally they go hand in hand. Not happening this time. But taking a look at the MACD, well, still holding Bitcoin, riding that wave up. And actually, I'm taking a look right now more at these histograms than MACD. I'm going to see if that works, how well that works for just trading based on the histogram instead of using a MACD. Because maybe it can be more profitable. We'll find out. We don't exactly know. But as for right now, I think breaking through this 4,200 will be a difficult thing. But in general, I am bullish on Bitcoin over the next few months. It may see a little bit of a drop, but I don't think it's going to see too much of a drop. So taking a look at the news, the latest news, crypto exchange BitHum reportedly hacked for almost $19 million in EOS and XRP. So they reported some funny stuff happening, and they canceled all withdrawals and deposits. They temporarily suspended them. And then basically what they said was the incident was an accident involving insiders, and all of the crypto that was taken, the EOS and XRP, was in a hot wallet. They moved the rest of it after they found out. They moved the rest of it to a cold wallet. These were not users' funds. These were just the exchange's funds of EOS and XRP. So people don't need to be worried. And on top of that, isn't EOS and XRP like two of the cryptos where they can just take the crypto back? So like, does it really matter? Nah, I don't really think so. Next in there, Tron. Man, a whole bunch of some people's favorite cryptos got attacked this weekend. Well, guess what? Tron. Justin Sun refuses to give away a Tesla to a winner of his contest. So, shady dealings on the Tron team. All right, now he promised to give away a Tesla for a winner of a contest to get more people using BitTorrent. Well, last week it turned out that like half No, sorry. It turned out that almost half of his Twitter followers were real. So, almost, or 500,000. I don't know what I'm saying. 500,000 are fake. 500, yeah, that's half of a million. 500,000 are fake. And on top of that, he was going to give away a Tesla to one of these random people. He tweeted that it was to Usagaroth, which is my Twitter name, my Twitter handle. And then he doesn't give me the damn thing. It wasn't me. But basically, he said, time to pick the winner. Something happened where it like showed up 30 seconds before there. He said because of like the video encoding, whatever. He said, she said, whatever. Unfortunately, because of that shady situation, he's not giving away the Tesla. Instead, he's very happy to extend his warmest welcome to the next Tron event in 2020, including a fully paid round-trip ticket to the event. That's awesome. $100,000+ Tesla or a $2,000 ticket to a Tron event. And I like this. Someone, who was this? Dimethy SD tweeted, you got picked for a giveaway for the Tesla, but don't actually get a Tesla. Instead, come to our Shitcoin Expo free of charge. Sounds good. Now, this isn't the first time that Tron has had some shady dealings. Like, for instance, when they plagiarized their whole white paper back in the day, or when almost half of his million Twitter followers are all fake bots. So maybe all smokes and mirrors, maybe something. We'll kind of have to see. The SEC has postponed another ETF proposal. Boo-hoo, everybody wants this ETF. I don't really care about the ETFs, to be honest. But boo-hoo, oh, wow. So the latest one, they postponed it, giving another 45 days to consider this one. This makes it 2 ETFs now that they'll have to consider by the end of May, which, you know, in my last video, I said that the beginning of the bubble could be starting in May. And not too long after I made that video, someone on Twitter made a little chart that kind of looks similar to what I was saying, where, yes, it's exactly between 376 and 320 days before the halving, the price starts going up. That's about a year. And you know what else is another reason that things will start going up in May that nobody has mentioned yet except for me? How about the consensus pump? Boom! Last year, Tom Lee, the guy who's notoriously wrong for predicting Bitcoin prices, said that Bitcoin prices would go up thanks to consensus. It didn't happen. But this year, Tom Lee's not saying anything. He's staying quiet, and since he's notoriously wrong, consensus pump. So, because potentially what I'm even thinking, the SEC has 2 ETF proposals that they have to come out with by the end of May. Well, check this out. This is before the end of May. What if the ETF is going to announce them in New York at consensus? How about that? That's some like Brainiac Columbo detective work. So guys, that's all for the video for today. Short, sweet, maybe a little bit funny. And yeah, other than that, guys, I've been trading using trading signals. I have fun doing it. Basically, when the signals come out, copy, paste, profit. And so if you guys want to check it out, there's a link down in the description. You can get like 25% profits in a day or whatever else. It's pretty simple using with 3 commas and everything else. Also, check out the Monarch wallet at monarchtoken.io. You can hold up to 1,900 cryptocurrencies in there. You get interest on your cryptocurrencies. And they have Bitcoin to fiat on-ramps and off-ramps. So you can trade fiat for Bitcoin and vice versa. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys all later. Leave a comment if you're in Thailand and maybe we can grab a drink. All right. I love you very much. Peace.